You're running from your problems. You think you're running physically, but you are actually running emotionally and spiritually from the one who can save you. Although you are running from him, he is chasing you with a fervent and tenacious stride. You mean the world to him. You are everything to him, the apple of his eye. He longs for nothing more than to catch you in the midst of your pain, hold you close, and wipe every tear away. He is safe, daughter, a safe place to lay your head. You don't have to run anymore. You are worth more. Rest. Be still and let him in. He's calling you. He's looking for you. Where are you, daughter? Where are you?